change, people, being change, people, being change, people. It's time I'm back and look how me cheat you. Oh na na na, being change, people, being change, people, being change, people. Could have from the body, yo, me no need you. Some of them are some heartless, but them nasty when they drunk at them.
Alright, my side, but I do some pumpkin rice. I do some pumpkin rice. Some pumpkin rice with some cabbage. You know? Yeah, man, and some brown stew pork. So I just see pork there on the fire. I'll show you what I'm going. The pork. Yeah. One brown. Yeah, man, see pork there. Alright, so I do. So we have a small piece of pumpkin. And what the food me I'll cook. I just man bridging. So it's a cook on little pot, you know. I peel up the pumpkin and thing. Oh, the knife is sharp, bad. Yeah, man, so you know, I peel up the pumpkin. Show you what I want, you know. Yeah, man. Show you what I want in the kitchen. Same way. You know, today we get the pin for YouTube. You know, from September we are waiting on it. Yeah, man. From September we are waiting on it. I will finally get it today. I must have 4 times apply for it. Yeah, man. So pumpkin on my side, 3 levels. I wash them. I get them washed. So I'm packed there with some pumpkin knife. I want to cut them up. Show them in a pot. Yeah, man, pumpkin up in a pot, same with a boil. Yeah, man, no plain thing. Pumpkin up in a pot. Make sure now cook on always wash. On the utensils, wash on your hands. And you do no dirty pot business, run a running belly business. Alright. See it right now? Pumpkin in a pot now, alright. Alright, here we go, and we drop some salt in our water. Everybody cook different, you know. You know, someone what I know some cook and I know some this and everybody cook different. Yeah, man, everybody cook different. We don't have no coconut, so this we're gonna use now besides some coconut milk. Yeah, man, Grace coconut, big up to Grace. Yeah, man, some Grace coconut milk and thing, you know. In a pumpkin. The pot with the pumpkin and the water. Yeah. Yeah, man. But everybody cook different, you know. Everybody cook different. Everybody cook different. Someone else say I know so. I know so this and I know so that. Alright. Alright. See there now? The pumpkin in there. Get some scallion. Get a piece of thyme. Scallion and some thyme. Yeah, man. Scallion and thyme. We have some water right here, so. Some water. Piece it down here, so. I was like crush that I put in my pork. Drop in this one, piece of thyme. Drop in this the same way. Grassy butter done. Chiffon butter. Chiffon. We are dropping on the stove now. This up here, so when I want the island to turn over. Everything when you do my side, this is what I go on now. Make sure you always taste on the pot. always taste on the pot. I always clean up back on the environment on I use. Clean it up back. The cabbage, we have a cabbage, but we don't put in the cabbage yet. When the rice are going in, I put in the cabbage. So when I'm ready to put in the cabbage, but this, we now dash it away. We put in a pot, make it steam down with the pork. Yeah man, make sure now always clean up everything. Always have some water. Put in your utensil in it. And change it regular. And then the dirty pot this, you know. Alright. Cut up the cabbage from there. That's a small piece of cabbage. Just a small piece of cabbage. I clean up them part here for the cabbage and the little part you see like, you know. Wash the cabbage. Oh God, we don't like it. Fridge need to lock. Alright. Whoa. Alright, now cut up the cabbage. Just a small piece. See cabbage? You don't want to cut them too small. You see me? Nice little size. Nice size. Nice. Yeah man, nice size. See them? Nice size. See them? And if you go through again, if you feel like them too big, you cut them to how you want it. You can't tell how to cut them. Cut them to how. So we'll make some cabbage, pumpkin rice, and some pork. Right, see them? See them? Cabbage. So when the rice are going, we are seasoning up the pot the right way, we are going to drop in the cabbage. Alright, so this is right, look here now. Alright, see pork there? And wow, brown. Then go on brown. Right. Watch it. See pumpkin there, coconut milk, thyme, scallion. And I put this of garlic in now and pepper. Yeah man, I make them go on. You know? The rest of pork there. Cabbage and everything. Yeah man, me not have a try burn that. Piece of garlic in the pot. Need a nice little flavor. Make sure you wash your things then when you use them. Yeah man, wash your things then when you use them. I know me a man. When me a, you know, we drink little. Little spirit of it there. If you have little spirit on the ground. Little spirit of it there on the ground, you know. Woo! Orange juice and vodka if you go and stir up the spirit them in the kitchen, you see? Aye. Boy. Cut up this and put piece of no, that should be that I got steam now with all the pork, you know. Alright, peeps. We have the second set. Second set of food, the last set, you know. But I watch the color on them, you know. Yes, the second set this. So. Bombard. Alright, my sir done for a port them and thing. This you know. Some ginger. We're not too seasonal patty right way. I do some skelly on this. Ginger, pepper, and thyme. You want to put them in a blend in a pressure cooker, but we're going to just easy and just use it on the stove. And maybe they're too tough, you know, but we go test it on the stove. So see, yeah, we know put the sweet pepper and them thing in there yet. Onion and them thing. We just have to cook with some ground season, some scallion, some thyme, some pepper, some garlic. You understand? This is for cabbage, pumpkin rice. Coconut go and boil down and the pumpkin. Alright, Mr. You are going now. You have to put a carrot, onion, sweet pepper. Wash them and clean them already. Understand? I cut it up your pork. Depends on how you want to cut up your things then, because some people cut up them things big. You see, me cut them up big. Me cut up my vegetable in big. You understand? Oh, no one cut no. You can jolly on them, but some I cut them big. Yeah. Some I cut them big. See it? Carrot. You want to round them. Half an onion, because not enough pork, you know. About 5 pieces of pork, so I'm not using a whole heap of onion. See that I use a piece of scallion, not a piece of a little piece. I'm using a whole heap of scallion already. You should just wash your scallion and clean it up. You should wash it and clean it up. So there are some people don't like wash vegetables, you know, you have to wash it. Wash your vegetables. Wash up your season them, you know. There are some people not who like wash them things, you know. Yeah, man. There are some people don't like wash them things. You have to remember, say, people touch them up at the market and insect and them thing they crawl upon them. So you have to wash them. You understand? Insect and people touch them with all money in the market and whole heap of bacteria and germs and all them things. So you need to wash on the vegetables. Wash them properly. Wash on a knife. Wash the cutting board. Wash everything. You understand? Flies and all them things there. All kind of insect. You don't like fly, no? Yeah. Yeah, man. Cheers, you know. Check on the finger, make sure the finger them clean and them thing there. I'll drop the cabbage in the pot shortly. So I'm going to show you what I want. Wow. Pumpkin now season. You understand, a boil up in it. Can smell the aroma. Woo! Yes, the pork in the pot there going easy back. Woo! Cabbage season. I going ease up, you know. Ready up! Alright, my sir. We're going to use some jasmine rice. Some jasmine, you know. Yeah, man, I drop some jasmine rice. I just two away so. You know Jamaican already we cook. We cook for keep it for your next other next day. Rice here. Yeah. We cook for keep it for your next day. Sometimes you know cook enough, so I go wash the rice here now. See right there? Nice. We don't have brown rice today now. But we use what we have. Wash your rice properly. Pick out your rice. The rice is not really have to pick out still. But wash your rice properly. Yeah man, make sure you wash your rice. So you don't know what kind of intake. Sometimes you have to eat all the rice, all big stone you taste in there. Yes boy. We're going to chew in the rice here now. Make sure you wash the rice properly, you see it. You know if they got some restaurant all big stone and all iron and copper. Yeah, taste in the rice. We're showing the rice in the pot now. Yeah man, the whole of here now I can taste my rice now man. I didn't wash the rice properly. Didn't wash the rice properly. Baby. Too much water in my pot. You're supposed to have to test the pot and test the amount of water. Use all the spoon and test the amount of water, you know. You say 1 inch is 1 inch. 1 inch of water. You want enough rice, you know. You want the rice plaka like a porridge. If you take out some water and add it back, then have too much water in there. They turn oats porridge. Not good. Yeah. Show me what I'm going now. See cabbage there. Right, see rice, yeah. Keep like it. You want some more pumpkin, you know. The man come like it. You want some more pumpkin. You want some more pumpkin in it, my side, man. You want a little bit more pumpkin in it. Alright, you are going now. We're going to drop the cabbage. We're going to put the cabbage in it now. Put the cabbage in it and mix in the cabbage. Mix in the cabbage in it. You want to smell the aroma, man. Crush out the piece of pumpkin there. You want to mix in the cabbage in it, man. See pork there. Whoa! Yeah, man. Vlog, me a vlog, man. Start up my YouTube, you know.
No, I don't know.
I'll be sitting in there still. What I name? Yeah, say poker, come on. Yeah, man, see, kind of tough fish now, but sorry, I'm not putting in a pressure cooker. Pork kind of tough, but yeah, come on, man. The rice. Ooh. See cabbage in there. Everything will come on. Nice. Vegetables still not going in. Alright, see it on my side. Rice ready. Rice ready, you know. Turn off. See, the pot is still there on the wheel. For the next 5 or about next 15 minutes. Yeah, my pork will go up already, you know. Yeah, I say. Yeah, come on. Come like on wild like this. You say tough like a rock stone. Tough like a stone, man. And the meat start, we start with pressure. Right? See that come on there? Still have a season and them things if you choke on it. So we go and stay tuned, yeah? Alright, peeps, we're up on the last side now. We're up on the last side pork, you know. We're up on the last side now. Just go and cook down liquor. Next 5 or 10 minutes on a low flame. Ready. See rice. Alright, somebody say we'll share with the rice, you know. Then the pork ready. Rice up. Pork up. Alright. Hold on there. Alright, so we'll share the pork now. Alright, inside. See finished product here. Oh God. Alright, here we will look. See finished product. Yeah man, cabbage, pumpkin rice, and some pork. Some brown stew pork. Yeah man. Nice up. Okay.